What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to show you how to remove stickers from a car, and he's basically just using a weeder. He doesn't have to use nothing fancy, just a weeder. And if there's any leftovers, you can always remove them with this right here. This one's called Goof Off. And let me show you something. So this guy added some tape to cover the old logo, and that's gonna make it really hard for us because we're gonna have to take longer. We're gonna have to use a lot of this right here, the Goof Off. We're gonna have to spray it, and just wanted to show you something here. Like the way it looks up there, that's how it looks down here. And I already used this right here, and I was able to take it off. You can see a little bit of marks, but it should be okay. Okay, I think we're more than halfway with removing the letters, and everything's going well. This is one side, and I'll show you the other side. This one has some residue, and we still gotta remove some of it, but I'll show you the other side. Yep, this is the other side. This one's all ready. Okay, so we got all of our logos ready. We put the tape on top. Now it's time to put them on the truck, and they're kind of big. We've done it before. It should be fine. We also have another video where we show you other tools that you can get to make the decal installation easier. Make sure you check it out. Here's the link. All right, so we got done with the first part, the front. Let me show you. We just did that part. All right, so we got the middle part. We are getting there. Just removing the letters was such a pain in the ass, but we finally got it. We finally got done with this thing. It took us some time. I would say like 3 hours to finish this, which wasn't too bad. I mean, compared to how it looks before. And this is the end result. Big letters and numbers, looks nice. And this is the other side. We're just finishing the bubbles. Like, it has a few bubbles, and we're trying to get rid of them, which shouldn't be a big deal. And even though we use a lot of that Goof Off, you can see some traces of the old logo, but I guess it's just part of the paint. As always, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos, and we'll see you guys on to the next time. Bye.